Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. So, Kodak Black is in Jamaica. Rumor has it's related to an album. It's definitely a music project. Either way, he looks great. It's the first time in a long time I've seen Kodak Black look great. So, continue to enjoy yourself. Have a good time. He apparently was on the beach. Of course, he's coming to Jamaica. And he went to Taboo as well. Blessings.
Kokoye. Papa dit Kokoye a pas exemple tombé plus loin. Passé plus Kokoye. Lady Margaret, that be almost like 6'11", 9'11", down. Like that food. That's it. Yo, 119. Contact birthday 9/11. For food.